Do you have the wrong business model? Many CPA firms today have business model problems. And if your firm is built the same way it was 20 years ago, the next decade could be a lot more challenging than the last. The reason is because most CPA firms are built around one thing: compliance. Tax returns, bookkeeping, year-end reporting. The problem is that those services are becoming easier to deliver, easier to automate, and easier for clients to compare. Over the next few minutes, I'm going to show you why the traditional CPA business model is changing, what the most successful firms are doing differently, and how shifting your focus can create a more valuable, profitable practice. Hi, my name is Todd Villarubia. I'm a 30-year tax attorney, a board-certified expert in estate planning and administration, a certified exit planning advisor, and the founding partner of Wealth Planning Law Group and Fountainhead Global. I work with CPA firms across the country, and one pattern continues to stand out. The firms growing the fastest aren't necessarily doing more tax work. They're creating more value. Ask yourself this: if your firm disappeared tomorrow, what would your clients actually miss? Would they miss someone preparing their tax return? Or would they miss someone helping them make better financial decisions all year long? Those are two very different businesses. One processes transactions, the other builds trusted relationships. Most firms still measure success by things like more returns, more clients, more billable hours, more staff. But those metrics often create more complexity, more overhead, and more pressure without meaningfully increasing the value of the firm. They're building bigger practices, but not better businesses. Clients today expect compliance. Technology continues to make routine work faster and more affordable. That means compliance alone becomes harder to differentiate and easier to compare. The firms that continue competing on tax preparation alone may find themselves working harder for the same or even less value. That is why the firms that are pulling ahead today are expanding beyond compliance. They're helping clients with tax strategy, estate planning, asset protection, business succession, exit planning, and wealth preservation. They're becoming the advisor clients call before making major financial decisions, not just after receiving a tax document. When your business model is centered on solving bigger problems, everything changes. Your client relationships become deeper, your pricing becomes easier to defend, your referrals improve because clients see you as indispensable, and your firm becomes less dependent on seasonal compliance work and more focused on long-term advisory relationships. That's a much stronger business model. If you've been wondering what the future of successful CPA firms looks like, I recently recorded a free training that breaks it all down. I'll show you why some firms are evolving beyond the traditional compliance model, how they're creating additional recurring revenue opportunities, and what it means to become a true strategic advisor. Click the link below to watch the free training now.